Hey guys, Wanderkin here, your trusted guide to adventure. Today, we're diving into a tropical paradise, Maafushi Island in the Maldives. Imagine pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, and luxurious overwater bungalows. Whether you're an adventurer or a tranquility seeker, Maafushi Island has something special for you. From thrilling water sports to peaceful moments, this video is your ultimate guide to Maafushi. So, grab your sunscreen, put on your explorer's hat, and let's discover the magic of Maafushi Island together. First up on our list is an absolute must-do, snorkeling. Maafushi is a haven for marine life, and snorkeling here is like entering an underwater wonderland. Imagine schools of vibrant fish darting through coral gardens and graceful rays gliding along the ocean floor. The water clarity here is astounding, making you feel like you're floating in an aquarium. The best part? You don't need to be a pro. Several local operators offer snorkeling tours for all levels, providing equipment and guidance. Just grab your mask, snorkel, and fins, and get ready to be mesmerized by the underwater beauty of Maafushi. Trust me, this is an experience you won't forget. Next, we're setting sail to meet the ocean's most playful creatures, dolphins. Dolphin watching tours are incredibly popular in Maafushi, and for good reason. Imagine cruising along the turquoise waters as the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. Suddenly, a pod of dolphins emerges, leaping and twirling alongside the boat. Their playful nature is infectious, and the sight of these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat is simply breathtaking. As the day winds down, get ready for a spectacle: a Maldivian sunset. A sunset cruise is the perfect way to soak in the island's beauty from a different perspective. Step aboard a traditional dhoni, a local wooden boat, and feel the gentle sea breeze as you sail across the tranquil waters. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, with hues of orange, pink, purple, and red melting into each other. Whether you're sharing this experience with loved ones or enjoying the solitude, a sunset cruise in Maafushi is unforgettable. For a truly unique experience, indulge in a sandbank picnic. Imagine having lunch on a tiny secluded sandbank in the middle of the Indian Ocean, surrounded by crystal clear waters. Many resorts and local operators organize sandbank picnics, complete with delicious food, refreshing drinks, and comfortable seating. Relax on the soft sand, soak up the sun, swim in the inviting waters, and enjoy the feeling of being miles away from everything. It's the perfect way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and embrace the tranquility of the Maldives. If you're seeking an adrenaline rush, Maafushi has got you covered with its fantastic range of water sports. From jet skiing across the waves to parasailing high above the ocean, there's something for every adventure enthusiast. Feel the wind in your hair as you soar through the air while parasailing, getting a bird's-eye view of the stunning island. For a more hands-on experience, try windsurfing or kite surfing, harnessing the power of the wind and waves. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, Maafushi's water sports offerings will leave you craving for more. While Maafushi offers world-class experiences, it's also essential to immerse yourself in the local culture. Take a stroll through the island's charming streets, interact with the friendly locals, and get a glimpse into their way of life. Visit the local mosque, explore the vibrant market, and sample some traditional Maldivian cuisine. You'll be greeted with warm smiles and a sense of community that's truly heartwarming. It's a chance to step off the beaten path, connect with the heart and soul of Maafushi, and gain a deeper appreciation for this island paradise. For a truly authentic experience, embark on a fishing trip in the Maldivian waters. The Maldives is renowned for its abundant marine life, making it a fisherman's paradise. Join a morning or evening fishing excursion and try your luck at catching some of the local species. Imagine the thrill of reeling in a big one, the excitement in the air as you feel the tug on your line. Whether you're an experienced angler or a novice, a fishing trip in Maafushi is a must-do. It's a chance to connect with the ocean, learn about traditional fishing techniques, and maybe even enjoy a delicious seafood dinner with your catch of the day. Prepare to be amazed as we venture into the underwater realm of Maafushi with an unforgettable scuba diving experience. The Maldives is home to some of the most spectacular dive sites in the world, and Maafushi is no exception. Dive into a world of vibrant coral reefs, swim alongside colorful fish, and encounter fascinating marine creatures. From graceful manta rays gliding through the water to white-tip reef sharks patrolling the reefs, every dive is an adventure. Whether you're a certified diver or a beginner, Maafushi offers a range of diving options to suit all levels. Of course, no trip to the Maldives is complete without some quality time spent on its pristine beaches. Maafushi boasts some of the most picturesque beaches in the world, with soft white sand, swaying palm trees, and crystal clear turquoise waters. Spend your days lounging on the beach, soaking up the sun, swimming in the inviting waters, or simply reading a book under the shade of a palm tree. The beaches in Maafushi are the perfect place to unwind, recharge, and embrace the slow pace of island life. For those who prefer a designated area to enjoy the sun and sand in swimwear, Bikini Beach is the place to be. Located on the northern tip of the island, this beach offers stunning views of the ocean and is the perfect spot to relax, swim, and soak up the Maldivian sun. You can rent sunbeds and umbrellas, enjoy refreshing drinks from the nearby cafes, or simply lay back and enjoy the feeling of the soft sand between your toes. Bikini Beach is a popular spot for tourists, offering a vibrant and social atmosphere. It's a great place to meet fellow travelers, share stories, and create lasting memories. As the sun sets and the stars begin to twinkle, experience a different side of Maafushi with a night fishing adventure. Join local fishermen on a traditional dhonie boat and try your luck at catching squid, snapper, and other nocturnal species. The darkness adds an element of mystery and excitement to the experience, and the tranquility of the ocean at night is truly magical. Night fishing is a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture, learn traditional fishing techniques, and maybe even catch your own dinner. It's an experience that will stay with you long after your trip to Maafushi is over. No trip to paradise is complete without indulging in some well-deserved pampering. Maafushi offers a range of spas and wellness centers where you can rejuvenate your body and soul. Treat yourself to a relaxing massage, indulge in a soothing body wrap, or simply unwind in a tranquil spa setting. Many spas also offer yoga and meditation classes, allowing you to find inner peace amidst the beauty of the Maldives. It's the perfect way to end your trip on a high note, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the world. So, there you have it, guys. 12 incredible experiences that await you on the stunning island of Maafushi. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, cultural immersion, or a bit of everything, Maafushi has something special in store for everyone. From the vibrant coral reefs to the tranquil beaches and the warm hospitality of the locals, Maafushi is a destination that will capture your heart. As always, thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and keep seeking out those unforgettable experiences. Safe travels, everyone.